LKG kid to say the numbers. The kid will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So these numbers comes naturally. So we call it as a natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1 and up to infinity. Okay. Yes. So and next we learned Indian system of numeration. So in Indian system of numeration, we insert commas. Commas helps in reading and writing large numbers. So in Indian system, we insert first comma after ones period, and then thousand period, and then lakh period, and then crore period. Okay. First after 3 digits, ones, tens, and hundred. First after 3 digits, and then after each two digits, we insert comma. Okay. So and next, yesterday we have discussed about international system of numeration. Yes, international system of numeration is useful to read and write foreign currencies. Okay. If we travel foreign countries, we have to read and write the numbers, right? So it's beneficial and it's must to learn international system of numeration. Here also we use commas to read and write the numbers. Both in Indian system and international system we insert commas, but only one difference we have is in Indian system after 3 digits and then after each two digits we insert comma, but in international system of numeration after all the three digits we will insert the comma. Okay, first 3 and again next 3 and next 3. Okay, in Indian system we have a ones period, thousand period, lakh period, and crores period. But in international system of numeration, we have ones period, that means ones, tens, hundred, and next we have thousand period, means 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, and next million period, in that also 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, understood? Yes. So hope you all recall these all things, and we have solved many sums based on this, right? According to Indian and international. Already you have learned these topics in 5th standard, and in 6th also we will continue our learning on numbers. Okay. Yes. So next we have to learn the estimation sums. Correct. We have to learn the estimation sums. So wait, I will tell you. In last year, we done nearest to 100, nearest to 1,000 sums, right? Last year, we have learned nearest 100, nearest 1,000 sums.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that itself, pa. So we will continue this time. Okay. Same topic, we will continue.
Ma'am.
Yes, pa.
Ma'am, what is estimation sums?
Estimation is nothing but rounding off to nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. Estimation means it's nothing but we have to estimate. For example, if we want to do one function in a home, we will invite the guest, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We will invite the guest and we will make invitations and we will distribute for our guest friends. And for example, if we have done 500 invitations, we will give to 500 members, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But it's not must only 500 members will come to a function.
No, ma'am.
No, because in few homes, 2 members will come. From few homes, 3 members may come. In few homes, they may not come. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But we have to prepare lunch for
Yes,
our
ma'am.
guest. We don't know the exact numbers, right? How many
Yes,
members
ma'am.
are coming? We don't know exact number, but we have to
Yes,
prepare lunch for them, right? So
yes, ma'am.
for caterers, what we will say? We will estimate and we will tell 800 members can come. So you have to prepare the lunch for 800 members. Correct? We have
Yes, ma'am.
distributed only 500 invitations, but
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are preparing lunch for 800 members. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
we call it as a estimation. That we call it as a
Yes,
estimation. We are estimating how many guests can come. How many guests may come, may not come. It's not must 800, correct 800, exact 800 members will come to function. No, we don't know that 800 will come. We will just estimate and we will calculate and we will prepare food for 800 members. May 750 can come, may 850 members can come. Okay, so that we call it as a estimation. So
estimation.
yeah, already we have learned nearest to 100, nearest to 1000. So in this class also we will practice nearest to 100 and nearest to 1000. Okay, so here I have a problem. So here I have a number. For example, 1, 2. 1 minute pa. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you see these numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we have a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here if I take 8, okay, I circled here 8, correct? 8 is nearest to which number? 8 is nearest to 10. Yes, very good. Ananya, 8 is nearest to 10. 8 is nearest to 10. Correct? Show me the thumb. Yes, 8 is nearest to 10. If I take 4, 4 is nearest to 1. So after 5, everything is nearest to 10. Before that, nearest to before number. Okay. So for example, if I take 21, okay, understand? So like this, we have to estimate numbers. Okay. So in the next tomorrow class, we will continue our estimation sums. Okay. So today's homework is, I will send you estimation. Already you have learnt in 5th standard, right? Nearest to 100, nearest to 1000 and nearest to tens we have done. That we call it as a estimation of numbers. Okay. So I will ask few questions. Can you answer for that? Yes. Anu, tell me pa, which are the periods we use in international system? Unmute your audio and you can talk. No mass answers. Only Anu have to answer. Anu, unmute your audio first. Unmute pa, we are unable to listen you. Yes, tell me pa, no.
Ma'am,
Yes pa.
ma'am, in Indian system we use one period, 1000 periods, lakh periods, crore periods.
Yes,
In
lakhs.
international
Yes ma.
in international system we use one period, 1000 periods, and million period.
Yes, very good. Yes, pa. Next, Samhita. In international system, in one's period and thousands period and millions period, we will use, right? So in 1000 periods, what are the places we will get? Unmute your audio. Unmute the audio and you can talk. Yes, tell me, pa. In 1000 period, which are the places we have? Places. In 1000 period, 1000. Yes.
1000, 10,000, 100,000.
Yes, very good, ma. Correct. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Yes, Kalandar, in millions. Very good, ma, Samita.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Unmute the audio and talk, Kalandar. Kalandar. Where you went, Kalandar? We can see only coconut tree. Kalandar, where is your face? Are you showing us coconut tree? Yes, Akfa, tell me, pa.
Not even.
In millions period, which are the places? Yes, Akfa. Yes, Revati, tell me, pa. Unmute and tell me, pa. Wait, Jenny. Wait, Anya, 2 minutes. Yes, pa, Revati, tell me, pa. It's not listenable. Yes, Kaif. Yes, Kaif, tell me, pa.
This internet connection isn't reliable at the moment.
Yes, who will tell the answer? Yes, Kushal, tell me, pa. Yes, Kushal.
One million,
Yes,
10 million,
pa.
100 million.
Yes, pa, very good. 1 million, 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. We have a 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay. Yes. Umayma.
Stop it.
Yes, Umayma have to answer now. So, in Indian system of numeration, after lakh, which period will come? After lakhs period, which period we have? In Indian system of numeration. Yes, tell me, pa. After lakhs period.
Crore. 1 crore.
Yes, very good. After lakhs period, we have a crore. Yes, Natasha. In international system of numeration, after 1000, what period we have?
799
After thousands period?
436
3,
170
Yes.
49.
Unmute and tell me, pa, Natasha.
Internet.
In international system of numeration, not in Indian. Yes. Where are you, Natasha? Lakhs and crores comes only in Indian system of numeration. Yes, Varun? Yes, Varun? Yes, Varun, tell me, pa.
Ma'am, millions.
Yes, very good. After 1,000, we have million. Okay.
0 J की हो
Yes,
गई
ma'am.
So, yes. So, lakhs and crores comes in only
Zero
Indian
zero.
system of
Indian
numeration,
system.
not in international system. Okay.
big FT
Yes, ma'am.
Not in international system. It comes only in Indian system of numeration.
System of numeration.
Yes. Same numbers.
Okay.
Same numbers we can write
Zero
and
zero.
read according
zero
to
zero.
Indian and international system of
Zero.
numeration. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So same numbers we can write and read. Both
Ma'am,
Indian
not
and
listen.
international system of numeration. Okay. Yes, Likita, tell me, Pa. Yes. So, for example, lakh, we call it as a, in the Indian system, we have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Same international system, ones, tens, 100, again ones, tens, 100. So, in our Indian system, if it is 1 lakh, international system, we have to pronounce it as a 100,000. Okay. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 and 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Understand? Yes, very good. So this is the time to wind up. So we'll continue tomorrow. I will text you few sums nearest to 100 and thousands and tens. Okay, already we have practiced in 5th standard. Same we will continue. Okay, Kalanda? Yes, just show me the thumb. Yes, very good. So bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe. Utilize the time, okay? Bye. Bye.